Have you ever felt overwhelmed by traditional search engines? Endless ads, irrelevant results, and constant worries about your privacy? It's enough to make anyone frustrated. What if I told you there's a way to take control of your search experience? A tool that's private, efficient, and powered by AI, customized just for you. Hi, I'm Ermias, and today I'm going to show you how to create your very own self-hosted AI-powered search engine in just 10 minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Clone the repository. This contains all the files and configurations you'll need. You can use a code editor like Visual Studio Code to make adjustments that suit your needs. Step 2. Use Docker Compose. It simplifies the setup process by connecting all the pieces, front end, back end, and the CRXeng meta search engine, so everything works together seamlessly. Step 3. Choose your AI model. You can host a local model like Llama for maximum privacy, or connect to external providers like OpenAI for more advanced capabilities. It's all about your hardware and privacy preferences. Once everything is set up, Docker Compose does the rest. In just a few clicks, your AI search engine is live and ready to use. This search engine pulls results from multiple platforms, generates detailed answers with clickable citations, and supports versatile queries like text, web, and image searches. It's the perfect blend of efficiency and customization. Why should you choose a self-hosted AI search engine? 3 big reasons: privacy, control, and efficiency. You can tweak the AI's behavior, prioritize specific sources, and even enhance privacy settings. It's tailored to fit your needs. Plus, no ads, no tracking, and complete control over your data. It's a game changer for anyone who values transparency and privacy. So, are you ready to transform the way you search? With tools like Docker Compose and customizable AI models, building your own AI-powered search engine is simpler than ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other guides on AI tools and platforms. Until next time, happy building.